Grasslands.
Because I will leave you guys to grab my pizza.
Good.
Be my guest.
he'll
Yeah, bro, to walk to your door and walk back. So scared.
He's gonna grab his cheesy
No, I'm in
pizza.
the dorm. It's actually really far.
No.
I'm on the second floor of the dorm.
Question: What
It's
team?
not like just walking to the door.
What side are we on?
French.
French, Italian, so
French?
Italy.
Yeah. I think it's the right side every time so far.
Let's see.
Yeah, it's normally the
Oh,
right side.
Space Force!
Well, I'm still loading in.
I'm gonna head to the southwest west-ish.
Alright.
West.
On the center. Got the flag down.
Okay, so what uniforms are we wearing?
Space Force stuff.
Oh yeah, Space Force. It's amazing.
Oh, by the way, did you hear about Australia actually forming its own space unit now?
Wow.
Dude, there was an advertisement to join the Space Force in my college's main meeting area.
Are they just cutting off their gravity belts?
Oh my god,
falling
is
off
that
into the
fentanyl?
Yeah, I've been here this whole time! This freaking guy.
Hey, get the fuck out of here! I can't hear you, but fuck you!
Where are we, my brothers?
We're down the center. We're behind the calf. Alright, double quick forward march.
Bro, why is this map so laggy? Oh my god.
It's all the grass, man.
Woo! The glass.
Grass.
Grass.
No, bro, I don't think this is an FPS lag problem. I feel like this is a server problem.
For me it is. I have 20 frames.
Yeah, but don't you see like the people just stopping in place and then stuttering forward?
No.
Oh yeah, I'm having that issue too, but that's normal for me.
Crouch.
Yeah. I'm not having that issue.
On your feet, double quick forward march.
Oh, they have two cannons?
Yes.
Yeah. They've had that since the start of the round, though.
I haven't been paying attention.
Remember when you got shot by the mortar and then they shot a cannon right after?
No, I don't remember because I was dead.
Oh.
Hold behind me here. Actually, no, double quick. Cav went in. Oh, they went in on their cav. And died.
Their calf is pursuing them now.
Which means they're coming our way.
Oh,
am I right here?
Yeah, they're right
They're
there.
Ramboing. They're Ramboing. They can't do that.
No, they had enough. They just...
No, not enough space in it.
I'm in here.
Oh, okay.
Space
Space.
Am I right here? Isn't that line in front of us going down the hill around chest fire? Alright, move back, move back. No, they killed King Monkey.
Just got beamed.
Bad job, Monkey. How could you die?
Somebody kill that dickhead medic.
Kill Patty? On it.
See if I can find their RD from here. I can't. I can't.
Forward march.
Avanti!
Where is their cannon at? I don't see it. There's a line in the southwest coming out over the hill. They're aiming at you guys.
Fuck, bro. I'm not allowed to play this game.
Alright. Run from us. Below the hill. Fly.
There's another line over there too.
Go back.
There's a few lines over there on that side of the hill.
We have a space line with
Yeah,
us.
there's a bit more than I thought. But I think we can do something.
One of them should
Actually,
retreat
I'm
on them.
up on the left too. Wait, double click up to me.
Yikes.
No, we got Noah.
Oh shit.
Know about these nuts in your mouth?
Heyo.
Oh,
Crouch, crouch.
That was hilarious.
Maya up here, up here.
To the left for sure.
My left and right here. This guy's staying there on our left. Just kind of at them and fire. Miss X, get back, get back.
Oh yeah, in his ass.
Shot, crack. Find me here, get your reloads.
Come on, Fentanyl, get a kill, please.
Trying.
I like how we've got the cav guys now with us. They've lost their horses.
Go,
Real
Fentanyl.
quick one reloaded.
Oh, I found their cannon finally. There's some guys poking over the hill about to shoot at us,
Understood.
but they're far out.
I'm gonna play Pokemon Go while we play, so I can multitask.
Dude, you missed the event yesterday. You could have gotten a shitload of dittos.
Oh yeah, I got a decent few dittos.
Oh my god, Morgan.
Sentinel is dead.
Oh!
Oh no!
Half train and crash. Oh wow.
They're cheating. That's simple.
What do
as
they
that.
have?
Probably.
Oh, sweet. They still got gator legs and orange.
Oh, I'm far back. I was looking at their cannons. Where are you guys? Oh, there you are. Oh, never mind. I'm dead.
Oh,
I wanna play some more GTA and shoot people.
As soon as I said something, I got shot. What the hell?
Is
that's
GTA
tree and
any
die.
fun?
Yes, the
Is
RNG
GTA any fun?
I've got 1,000 hours of GTA online, but I uninstalled because the game's not fun. But I wasn't sure if they added more flying cars and orbital cannons and other horseshit.
Oh,
By the
yeah.
way,
They definitely got rid of that.
defending their camp or hills around it. Except on the very far left, there seems to be something. Let's go check.
You see, I simply play it to play golf with Dux and Leo. You get to witness them rage out of their mind.
Fuck yeah.
Wait, what the fuck? I like how there's one guy just stuck in a tree.
I think he climbed up there.
Down.
At least he can shoot him with a pistol. Oh wait, that's a friendly. Never mind.
There are enemies over this hill. They're down by a tree there.
Who are the 51st?
Oh, that's
Those
them.
are scabs.
Crouch, crouch,
Yeah.
crouch. Come to me.
I don't recognize them.
Rooster, that's rifles.
Yeah. But they're all looking at us. Orange!
Rep.
Orange, why wouldn't you come?
My food's getting delivered.
The line there. Only realized when we got right up on them and they noticed us.
Can I spawn guard next round? Or line?
Yeah, you can go guard.
Since when did we have a posh British man in here? What the fuck?
I'm not posh. I'm not posh.
You sound posh.
I'm not.
Yeah, but here's
I'm
the
probably the least posh.
Anyone who has a decent education in the UK sounds posh.
Just to people close to London.
Yes.
Oh, look at me, I'm wishing.
Careful, he'll get you in your pussy hole in a minute.
Are you
don't have a
posh,
pussy hole.
half a train?
Wait, what?
Are you posh, half a brain?
No,
No, he's Australian.
Yeah, I speak Australian British,
He
mate.
was posh until he got sent there.
Australians don't become posh, what the hell?
No,
Well, they got sent there. They got sent there.
No. You see, I live in the state of South Australia, which means we were settled by colonists. Not colonists.
Oh, you're lucky. You never know.
Which means your mom.
No, it just means I'm better than the convicts who live in New South Wales and Queensland. Shit.
Damn, who knew someone with half a brain could have such a superiority complex?
Hey, look, if I have half a brain, the people in New South Wales have no brains at all.
Damn, that's toxic.
No, seriously, they're like the most corrupt place in the entire country. It's like the entirety of New South Wales. Like, the joke is that they're nothing but a bureaucratic shithole. Run by criminals for crims.
Sounds like fun.
Sounds like America.
Well, they're trying to copy American success. It's not really working.
Am I gonna be leading this upcoming round, Crack?
What?
Am I leading this upcoming round?
I guess. Yeah, you can leave this one.
Alright. Who wants to NCO this time?
No one. Sorry.
If you want, you can lead Scar.
Nah, I haven't had it in months.
Or not lead NCO.
What's NCO in this battalion?
You go
XO.
Cannoneer and act as a scout / second in command if I die.
Well, yeah, I'll try it. Yeah. I'm not gonna say I'm 100% because I don't know like how you do things, but I'll try.
Wow, the Prussians are really getting served, aren't they?
Okay, I'm gonna go get my pizza. So I might miss next round.
Huh?
He's gonna go get his pizza.
What map, brothers?
Vote 2.
Aww.
At least it wasn't Grassy Plains 1.
Blame Revy. He voted for it.
Yeah, he did say that sounds exciting in TeamSpeak, so it's kinda sus.
Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun.
Rooster.
Yeah, the Italians again.
Do I have to apply for competitive?
For what?
If you're interested, I'll give you the tags, and then you can
We're
just
gonna
show
go
up.
like southwest.
Yeah.
You're EU, right? So you just
Yeah.
have to ask Dux.
I was in comp for T.R.R. I didn't really intend to going until the end.
You don't what?
T.R.R. kind of died, so they didn't really have any melees.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he got fucked.
By what?
By a horse.
No praying, half a brain. Stand up. Oh yeah. I'm eating your ass right now.
Double quick forward march.
If I turned around and fucking did that, you'd gobble on my...
What?
Whoa.
Move a bit further right.
If I turn around, you could suck on these nuts. No, fucking no, good god. Oh, good god. So who's gonna get the first kill? Who's your bets?
That guy that just got the kill.
In our line or just in general?
Just in general, who do you
Our line.
think's gonna get the first kill?
See, other than that, I
James
bet
Charles?
it's gonna be someone from the 26th.
James Charles is gonna kill.
Why is that?
Lights right in front of us, by the way. I'll stand back.
Oh, I was wrong.
It was Chrome the meta.
So which one do you think is gonna be, or like, which one do you think is gonna be in our regiment that's gonna get the first kill?
Chrome.
It was Chrome.
Boom. What the hell?
Chrome got both kills for everything.
In the company. I'm gonna vote half of Brain. He's gonna get the first kill.
I vote crack.
I vote I'm gonna die first. Because
Don't
I'm
mind me
better.
here.
He's in my dick stuff.
And crouch. Everywhere is so crowded here.
Hey,
There's
Shannon's
also-
right in front of that sandbag.
On your feet, about face. Double quick forward march.
I feel like
Fireball, where are you?
Running through the fields, frolicking.
Fireball.
Found you.
Found you.
Oh my god.
Laughing in the sunlight, laughing in the moonlight, having a game.
I need the medic. I need the medic. Orange.
Who's Bummer
Yeah,
Scare?
some dickhead hit him. For some reason.
Yeah. A mean boy.
wow, what a mean person and rude and racist and pedophile.
That describes me well.
Oh, they're really far out there. See, to my right. I'm gonna go for a long shot, why not? The field in front of us, around
Easy
head.
one, Pat.
There's a line right. There's a line right.
Oh, yep. Move back, move back.
Use crack as a leech field.
Soon call him on the move. Double quick, one reloaded. Just bumped my toe.
Oh my god.
That was so
It was spooky.
close. That was fucking close.
Teehee.
Hehehe.
Yes, cool sled. Let's go, boss power.
Fuck.
Oh shit, they got our ID.
Fireball, what happened to you? You were gone for like 5 hours. when
I
you
know.
walked
I
your
was
dog.
gone for a long
Did you
time.
get
I was gonna
kidnapped?
I did get kidnapped.
I got hit. I think.
Who kidnapped you, Fireball? You
Probably Foxy.
No.
It's tragic. Let's see.
Oh, the AFK's guy's dead. It was
No.
Verb.
Get behind the tent. Huddle behind the tent.
Wait a minute, that guy
Oh,
was.
shit. Yeah, get behind the tent,
Nope, not
lads.
there. Not there.
Not in
I
that
was
Not
like-
behind the tent? Oh,
We're
beside
surrounded,
the
we're
tent. I
surrounded.
see.
Look in front, holy shit.
That's a whole squad.
Do we have a medic?
We got space.
Thank you.
Right.
Where's
The guy on my left and right, hop up here with me. About waist chest fire.
Medic, no, orange.
Sex 3 to my right.
Orange high.
Yeah,
orange
hop
high.
up. Hop up, ladies. Get up. Alright, heads, chest, fire. Hit chest.
Next line, get up. Next line, get up.
Move.
Shot.
Let me. Oh my
Get up,
god.
get up, get up.
They're adjusting, right? See
Fire,
him?
fire.
Alright, I'll move back.
Oh god. I hear glass.
Yeah, it's
we're not
because when
safe.
you stab the floor,
More.
glass breaks.
We have friendlies coming now.
Yep. Just crouch. We'll wait here for a moment. Our friendlies
Oh
are
no,
back.
money.
But are they gonna push us? The question.
Oh, they can see us on the left. Oh
No,
no!
orange.
Dead.
Oh,
Uh,
well.
This place isn't good anymore. Let's see. 100 feet, double quick forward march. I'm just gonna pull back.
Per il re, per l'Italia! Per il re, per l'Italia! Viva il re d'Italia!
Who's Bomber Scared?
Bombardier Scar. How do you pronounce that so badly? Fire.
Because I'm sounding it out without, and there's no vowels in it.
I think maybe it's like S, like the Scar from
They are.
Fortnite.
Or from real life.
Yeah.
Where are we at again?
Far out can we go?
But where is he from?
Where'd you go, Morgan?
Is he
I went to go get healed. I got shot in the
red?
fucking ass.
What fireball?
I'm assuming that was the last match.
Go north.
North. Oh.
Are you from
Where
a
you guys-
different?
oh, way out there?
Love being talked
Yeah.
over.
No, we
Alright.
can't. We can't make it to the rocks.
Are you from a different reg?
I was. I came from the shitty T.R.R.
What? What reg is that?
Good night, guys.
Good night.
Good night.
Later.
T.R.R.B, but with a B. Wait, without the B.
Oh yeah. If you guys care for it, at I don't know, like 10:30 or so, there'll be crab game.
My left and right
if you
here.
wanna go
On
to
the
that.
enemy lights out over
I
there.
love crab game.
Around chest, I'd say, and fire. Back down.
Can never go wrong with a little bit of
Fine.
crab game.
Yeah, no racism at all.
What about
Bel lavoro!
Itoa and King Monkey? Are they recruits? I take it.
No, it mercs. Yes.
Okay.
I am currently a free agent.
Rooster, there's a huge, not really huge, but there's a line behind the bushes.
Understood.
Is that a singular man standing?
That
Oh,
Oh yeah, there is.
He's scout.
I'm just
Can I
gonna
kill?
go
Can I kill that guy?
Is he reloading?
Can I 1v1 him? That poor guy?
Oh
He's all
no.
alone.
Viva l'Italia!
He's all alone. Look at him. Now, come on, don't kill him. Don't kill that poor guy.
Run, man.
Bro, the poor guy, no! No!
Oh my god.
He
Poor
didn't even
guy.
know the border was right there.
That's
I
so
had to
sad.
do it for the spreadsheet gods. I had to do it for him.
But you have like 50 million kills already.
Do you guys count kills here?
Yes,
Yeah.
we track shooting and melee.
Do you do it in artillery too?
Yeah, they do. Do it in every company. Except lights don't count melee. No.
They count just kills in general, they don't separate them.
Oh,
Who's that guy in the over there?
oh, that's a guy in the thing.
I think that's
Why
actually
is he a
the
dog?
creator.
Oh, can you see that line?
Right here. Send out the
Holy.
group there. Round heads, perhaps a bit above, and fire. Get behind me here.
Wow, good shot.
Ben fatto!
Thank you.
Called suppression.
Calma, calma!
They should make.
Charge in 7 seconds.
Oh no. Oh no.
My left here.
It's almost all
Yeah,
charged.
we
Don't
can-
die. Oh my god, Edward, you suck. How could you die?
Damn it, that was.
What is his name? Flashlight, bruh.
You monkey.
Ottimo
Do they have
lavoro!
pistols?
Whoa.
Yes,
in
they
this?
do. Take
Oh,
the
no,
bullet,
no, no, no.
Morgan.
Alright, we'll do.
Everybody take the bullet.
Rooster, eat, please.
Oh, I'm coming, Morgan. Don't die. Oh,
Morgan is dead.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah. Is this last round? Probably not. They didn't.
Shit.
So much for dilettanting.
wow.
Oh my god. Where did you put your kills?
He puts a fucking flag there. Why? There's no purpose.
Viva l'Italia!
Wait, where the fuck? Where did all the Russians
Per il
go?
re, per l'Italia!
Pack, are you good?
Bastardi!
Did you really miss, monkey? Oh my
Yeah.
god, you fool.
Don't worry about it. Just come back here.
Oh my god, look at this absolute horde. This is like watching Helm's Deep.
I blame the frames, man.
I can't spin now. Okay.
It's the frame.
It's over, Russians. They have
It was
the high
all-
ground.
Why is there so many of them? like IRL.
Oh! Okay, there's a Russian behind me. I did not even know.
Wow.
Where did that guy even come from? I'm so confused. You see, Monkey, we could have won if you hadn't trolled.
No, no,
Holy
no.
shit.
Yeah, we're still gonna win. Yeah.
Monkey, are you from T.R.R.?
Timmy. With Timmy and
You
Rufus.
I blame the flute guy. He distracted me. I walked up to him, asked him where Timmy was, and I got stabbed in the ass.
King Monkey,
Yo, what's up?
are you the T.R.R. King Monkey?
What?
Are you the T.R.R. King Monkey?
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
You don't sound like Monkey.
What do you mean? Alright, just because I don't sound black doesn't mean I don't sound like King.
No, you sound a lot older.
I sound older? I don't know, it's been a while since I've seen you.
I spoke to you like a week ago, 2 weeks ago.
You know what you sound like? Like a monkey.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah.
A lot of people call me Sand Monkey, you know?
Oh my
They
god.
don't- they use
RDS
this
melee
thing.
clutch.
My god, Timmy's so good, watch!
Look at him. Oh my god.
Oh my god, look!
The movement.
Exhaust.
Россияне
Wow,
победили!
GG. That was close.
Oh, hi there, Blue.
Yo, what's up? Was this last round?
No, there should be one more. It's 8:52.
Would anyone else like to lead?
I was just here to ask, how long is it till crab game? Is it going to be like an hour, or is it going to be like an hour
Probably
and a
like
half?
10:30, so
Which
an
map?
hour and 30 minutes.
Cool. That's fine. I will play Tarkov instead until then. Thank you. Have you to say?
Would anyone else like to lead?
I'll lead.
You really want to lead half a brand?
Yep.
Alright, lead. Pick an NCO.
You can be my NCO.
Alright. This map sucks.
As we all know.
Good morning from Europe.
Oh, hello, Lexapack.
God, is it just me or is this map taking an age and a half to load?
Yeah, it crashed. It crashed.
They're restarting the.
Alt F4. Alt F4. Don't Alt F4 at this. I want to Alt F4. What happened?
I Alta for the wrong tab.
That's tragic.
Damn, that was crazy.
What?
I Alt F4'd and I got my Discord closed.
Me too. Yeah, Alta for the wrong tab.
Server's back up.
Nope. Hang on, I'll close the game and I'll come back in. Give me a minute. Another day, another crash in the Holdfast.
Who's leading?
Me.
Half a brain.
I can't even alt.
Good attend, Morgan.
Are they gonna do another round or what?
Sick, my Discord fucking
Did you just keep pressing Alt F4 and then just shut off your Discord?
That might have been what happened. I had
I did that before.
Sick.
Is that a big monkey?
Oh, yes.
I love you.
Oh. Okay.
You don't love me, baby? Do you not love me no more?
Yeah, I do not love you no more, baby. I'm King Monkey's husband now.
I'm banning you from this Discord.
No, baby.
I'm telling
No,
that.
baby. Please, baby,
Give you
please.
flashbacks.
What team are we on?
Have mercy, baby.
I don't know.
Eating groceries.
What team are we on?
I don't know.
Look in announcements.
Frittily, it's the right side, I think. But it's France or Italy.
Oh, we're...
Frittily.
Okay, so I guess we're...
Oh, we're Fifers. Yeah.
I'm just...
I don't ironically play this game. It's
unironically or like
unironically. Literally. I would literally unironically play
literally?
this.
Oh my, literally. Ugh.
And I would decimate the enemy.
I will literally decimate your face. Oh, yeah.
No fun allowed.
Oh. Did it crash again?
Down. It's good. It's good. It's good.
I think I'm gonna go. I don't...
Yeah, I just love. I had my regiment just to leave, bro. We're not dealing with it.
Can I go flag bearer?
Yeah,
I want to
just
do group
go
fight,
flag
maybe.
bearer, it's fine. I can't get back in.
Yeah,
It's
sure.
I'm in.
Yeah, it's working fine.
Do you want me to NCO for you?
Yep, sure.
Oh man, I just ate a burger. I just ate lunch. So good.
Oh, baby, keep moving.
Oh yeah, Derek. The 3v3,
Yeah.
we couldn't do it because since Jerry's in the 7th, they wouldn't let
Yeah.
him play.
That's
Oh
stupid,
my
bro.
god. No,
That
you
is
can't
so
do that.
stupid.
But when I was looking at the brackets, apparently they put us in.
Yeah, I saw
So-
that.
We could have played, but
And that's all the servers were having issues, so no one like barely anyone played in it.
Are you loaded in yet, Half Brain?
Yeah,
it's still not
I'm in,
finished. So.
When's the next 3v3 thing?
South?
I don't.
Oh, there you are. I found you.
We could host one if you want.
The prize will be crack.
Or my god,
Where are
don't
we?
have to
I
say
must
that
put the
way.
baby.
Where are we?
must
I can
put
only
the
play
baby.
with one hand right now.
Yeah, hang on. You'll see me doing this. Gangnam style.
I don't know what that means.
Gangnam style.
I don't
There's
know
dance.
what is that, a slur?
It's a
It's
dance.
There's a song for it. Just look it up on
Gangnam style.
I
Is
can't
everyone
find you.
here? Is everyone here?
really popular back when I.
Go, go.
I'm
I only
here.
have one hand. If
Wait a
you
minute.
move, I will go off into the sunset. No, no, no!
Yeah, let's go.
Ugh. I had to turn with my left hand.
Can I scale him with a pistol? Doors to line up.
Chess. On test.
I'm pretty sure most of their lines have gone here.
Not the fleshlight.
Actually, surprising amount of time.
What would be your ideal woman?
Me?
Just anybody in here.
Man.
Yeah.
An Asian
Man.
woman or man?
Man,
Black?
yes, I love man.
Black white bitch with a big ass. That's
I love
I
big
do
booty
want
Latinos.
Life.
You
Hendrix
like
wife.
big booty
I
port.
don't know
To your
that.
right, half a brain on the head.
She's Hendrix.
charging.
She's pretty good.
They're just charging. I think they want to get it
On my
over
right
with.
And left, on my right and left. Alright, advance slowly. Get your rifles ready.
Alright, just mess up for me.
Right.
This is so advanced.
There's one line out of tree over here.
Right,
They're pushing.
Halt!
Oh.
Fire!
In front, boys. Waist, chest.
Amazing.
Right, crouch down and walk away.
Good
was
shot, Edwa. Good shot, Edwa.
No, I literally watched him turn as I walked to the right.
Alright, everyone on my right and left. Everyone on my right and left, reload.
We did. One of us.
I'm counting that as one of my kills.
Alright, advance slowly. Get your rifles ready. Alright, everyone on my right and left. Everyone on my right and left, reload.
Good shot, Edwa. all you did was die, Fireball.
Listen up, man. My fingers are
Doesn't-
covered in wrench. What are you gonna do?
Slow march forward.
I'm sending this image to the fort.
To the right.
Alright, halt. To over there. Do you see him?
Dress
You see
it,
him? You
dress
see him?
it, dress it. Move the gaps in.
Fire!
Sick.
Line in the line.
Alright, get away.
Go-
Come on.
yeah,
Quick,
I
go,
heard
go.
the
Make sure it's gold shoulder.
I heard the cannonball, but I didn't see myself die. I looked and checked. Of course, it's you.
Come on, over here. Behind me.
Alright, I'm finally freed.
Yes. Run away from this hell.
Alright, is everyone reloaded? We're getting reloads.
See? They've taken the right side.
Well, that's good.
They're pushing to our RD camp now.
Yep, okay, so everyone reloaded. Let's go, follow me. Come on, we're gonna go cut the bastards off. Alright,
And me,
enemy
Cav.
cav, line on my left and right. Aim at the cav, fire. Alright, reload. Just stay where you are, just reload. Oh, who's firing at us?
Look at that. Look at that bad boy.
Alright, everyone, on me, double quick.
This is a guy that left because he thought the Space Force skins was a Fortnite skin.
What do you mean? There's a little killer
shit.
melon.
Left and right, left and right, left and right. See that line ahead of us? Fire. Alright, crouch
What?
down.
They team kill.
That's amazing.
I think we had to
Oh,
skip
shit.
reload, by the way.
God.
Oh, you got sniped.
Pushing. The Cav.
Yeah, I see him. I see him. Just keep
Can't see
focusing on
it.
the bastards in front of us. Alright, ready, fire at will. As soon as you got shot, fire.
I think we had to stay in for reload.
Yeah, I don't think we can crouch.
Ah, that's fine. Alright, Cav, right in front of us, shoot at him.
I can't see.
Okay, wait. Yeah, there they
Oh,
are.
good shot, money.
You see
Hey,
enemies,
the horse.
fire at 'em.
Should we help
Oh.
artillery? Should we help? Should we help?
No, they're fine.
Oh, there's a huge line art.
Oh, that's why. I was playing on.
half brain. Look at artillery. There's a huge line.
Yeah,
Artillery? Huge line?
behind.
Yeah, look
to
there.
the
Look
right.
there. Look at there.
Do you see him?
Like
Oh,
right there.
yeah. Onto our right and left. Open fire. Reload,
Still
hold
missed. Oh my.
Good job, guys. Look, space is right on them.
Seems
I
they're
think it's
all running.
Ultra. Is it Ultra?
Push them.
Alright, they're
It's all
fleeing.
first.
Alright, everyone,
We're charging
on
them.
me, quick double march.
When did they say all charges? I can't read the chat.
No, this way, this way, with me,
So
with
it's
me.
not.
It's all charge, half a brain.
Is it? Alright, everyone, on me still. Keep going this way.
But they're to the right.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna go around them, slightly kick him in the side.
Oh, this guy doesn't see us. This is
hold
epic.
this hill here, and... yeah, just get this motherfucker here. Come on, let's help him out. And quick.
Oh, they said it was a 1v1. We have to let them fight it.
Alright, fine. Alright, we've got enemies to our front one.
Oh.
To our back, really. Alright, come on. Let's go. Oh, fuck. Just hold them here until I... Oh, where is everybody? Am I the only one left?
No.
I'm alive.
I can't spin. I can't.
Got him, boys.
I'm shit.
I'm about to go. See you guys later.
Yeah, see you.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Do you do post match?
What?
Do you guys do post match?
Post March?
Post match.
I don't know what that is. What did you send, Fireball? That looks disgusting. Your fingers, they're so white.
Gli italiani hanno trionfato!
Thank you, my brother.
Alright, thank you all for coming out. I hope you guys had a nice time. I think that event went quite well for us. Won a lot of those rounds.